afternoon to everyone.
Afternoon.
I am Muhammad Azrin bin Muhammad Arif, and I am the head of UPMKD Nature Society. Today we will discuss about the best activity that can be organized for Nature Week for students in our campus. Okay, now we will start our discussion with my opinion first.
Yes.
In my opinion, we can organize camping trip to Similajau Forest Reserve because the student can do many adventurous and enjoyable activities such as jungle trekking, kayaking, fishing, swimming at the river, and much more. Besides, the student can learn how to survive in the forest without any necessity things. The forest ranger will teach students how to make animals trap for food, and then the forest ranger will teach them how to find water and the way out of the forest if they lost. Furthermore, the students can gain more experience by explore the forest and use their knowledge that taught by the ranger to survive in the forest. Then, the students can increase their mental and physical endurance. As we know, camping is not easy as you think. To set up the tent, they must remember start to set up the tent, and then they have many extra activities like kayaking, flying fox, abseiling, and many other extreme things that can increase their physical endurance. Okay, what do you think, Ima?
I disagree with Azrin's point because, as we know, when we organize camping activity to the forest, it may cause injury. As we know, we can predict what happen when we in the forest. So, if something happen, it takes a long period of time to be safe. But for my opinion, when for the Natural Week is organized tree planting activity. The first point is carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas material that needed by plant on Earth. It can cause greenhouse effect and global climate change. One of the solutions to reduce carbon dioxide on the Earth is organized tree planting activity. The point 2 is tree planting also can be a new shelter to the wildlife and can prevent the wildlife to go to the village nearby. Third is reduce surrounding temperature. When daylight, plant will open their stomach and transpiration process begin. Transpiration is process when plant release their water vapor to the surrounding. So, tree planting can reduce surrounding temperature and can make the surrounding more cool. Tree planting also can produce the oxygen, the natural oxygen. They make their photosynthesis process to stay alive every day. Photosynthesis release oxygen that needed by human being. So what about your idea, Sazwan?
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to everyone. Okay, I feel that the best activity for Nature Week is organizing trip to Similajau Natural Park, which is near to our campus. Right? Because we can know about the wild plant in the national park. There are many wild plants that live in the forest. Furthermore, we can see the plant that we never see in our life. In addition, when organizing this trip, we also can discover the rare species in national park. For example, Rafflesia plant, Kacik Fatimah, Musa kucing, and so on in the natural park. Then, when we join the trip, a lot of activity that we can do in the forest. For instance, by doing canopy walk, walk to river, and many others activity. I am sure with those activity, we can enjoy this trip at the national park. Okay, that's my opinion.
I don't think so. Because I don't think so that trip to national park is the best activity for nature week. Because our students really like to do extreme activities in the national park. We cannot do extreme activities because it is not allowed to set up any stand there. Besides, it is just a trip. We cannot do a lot of activities because of the limited time to organize many activities. Okay, so if there are no objection, I suggest we agree to organize tree planting activities because it has many advantages such as reducing carbon dioxide on Earth. Then it can reducing surroundings temperature, and more oxygen can be produced by the plant. Finally, the planted tree will be a new shelters to the animal. So if you agree, I will close the discussion.
I think I agree with you 100%.
I also agree with that point.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, now we have reached a consensus that the tree planting is the best activity that can be organized by us. Thank you for your contribution in this important discussion.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.